I'm Michael Saylor, the Director of Educator Excellence for the Delaware Department of Education. I just wanted to take a moment to share my experience working with DC Design. DC Design played a pivotal role in helping with a project that I participated in with the National Policy Board for Educational Administration to plan and launch a major new initiative centered on increasing equity in schools. Their dedication to conducting in-depth research with students, teachers, school leaders, and experts nationwide allowed us to gain valuable insights into the challenges they face while striving for more equitable learning outcomes. Working closely with us, DC Design crafted a robust strategy to utilize those insights and address equity challenges as they arise in our schools, creating a more supportive environment for all students. Their expertise in developing an interactive equity workbook was a game changer, empowering school leaders across the country to improve outcomes for every single student. One of the aspects that truly impressed me was their efficient project management process. They left no stone unturned, defining clear roles and responsibilities and ensuring everyone on our team was kept informed and engaged throughout the project. They truly understand the unique needs of educational organizations and are dedicated to making a positive impact. So if you're looking for a team that's not only professional and talented, but also genuinely cares about the work they do, I wholeheartedly recommend DC Design.